Good morning, children. This is class 7, subject social science, chapter number 1, environment, lecture number 1. So, the chapter number 1 is environment. So, in this chapter, we will discuss about environment. Before starting anything else, we must know the meaning of environment. Environment is basically whatever we see in our surrounding, that it comes under environment. You can take simple example. If you are sitting in classroom, so whatever you see in your surrounding, whether they are bench, blackboard or anything else, that comes under this environment. And you can take another example. If you are sitting at home, so whatever bed, furniture you see in your surrounding, that comes under environment. Environment basically the word that is originated from French word environneur. Its meaning is neighborhood. Means whatever the surrounding is, that is environment. Environment is basic life supporting system. Why do we say that it is by basic life supporting system? Because the things those present there in environment, they support the life. We can take simple example of ourselves only. It provides us air we breathe, water we drink, and food we eat, and land where we live. All these things are the part of environment, and we are also the part of environment. So it is basic life supporting system. Basically, environment, it can be divided into the parts like natural and man-made. Natural and man-made phenomena, that comes under environment. If we talk about natural environment, it includes all the things formed by nature like air, water, land, etc. If we talk about human-made or man-made environment, it includes the things made by human being like building, road, factories, etc. Next thing is component of environment. Components of environment, the three components are there: natural, man-made, human. Natural refers to natural things like air, water, land. Man-made environment, that refers the things those are made by men or human being. Human environment means the human themselves. They are the three components of environment. So let's discuss about them one by one. First one is natural environment. Anything surrounds any living organism which not made by human, like air, water, land. They comes under natural environment. Whatever is present there in nature, that is formed by nature only, that comes under natural environment. It includes both biotic and abiotic organism. Biotic, that refers the living world, and abiotic, that refers non-living world. So biotic, we talk about in which the living things are present there in the nature like animal, plant. Abiotic, we can include air, water, land in abiotic. These two types of organism, they are the part of a natural environment. Okay, we can discuss the domains of the earth. Domains of the earth has 4 domains of the earth. We have discussed there in the class 6th also. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. If we talk about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, these three, they come under abiotic. And biosphere, where life is possible, that comes under biotic. Because as we talked about that the biotic, that refers to living things. So lithosphere, in which land is present, hydrosphere, water is present, atmosphere, air is present. So these are non-living and they come under abiotic. But biosphere is the sphere where all three meet to each other, where life is possible. So biosphere comes under biotic. Clear? Next component, man-made environment. Basically, from the name we can understand that the things those are made by man or human being, they come under human made environment. So human made environment made by human being using natural resources. Human being using natural resources like roads, building, dams. They come under the human made environment because these all things are made by human being for their utilization. They are not formed by nature. The natural resources are used by human being basically, but they are made by human being. So that is human made environment. So next one is human environment, the third one. Human environment, as we talked about it earlier also, that refers to human beings only. Means that is the part where that include human beings, whether they are individual, family, community, religion, educational. So all about human being we talk about in human environment. So in the chapter, in today's lecture, we covered what is environment. Environment is our surrounding that support the life, or it includes three components. First one we talked about, that was natural. Second one, human made. And third one, human environment. Natural, in which we have done the things those are present there in the nature itself. And the second, human made, they covers the things those are made by human beings by using natural resources. And the third one, human environment, that includes human basically. Clear? Next thing, homework for today. So whatever we have done today, regarding that, some of the questions I have assigned. What do you mean by environment? You have to do the first question, what do you mean by environment? Second one, name three components of environment. And the third one, define natural environment. These three questions we will discuss later on. For that time, thank you very much. Have a good day.